these shoes suck.
What's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land, got you like it's contraband.
Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Enox back with another video. Yeah, we're out here at Carnes Hill today. It's Monday, super hot. It's 33 degrees. See? 33 or 33.6 anyway. So it's super hot today. Lucky we have a bit of shade here. If any of you are an OG fan of the channel, you should remember my abandoned mall skate vid. I left a rail for someone to take. Anyway, one of the boys from the park ended up coming to take it. So I'm reunited with this rail. Damn, I don't know if the wind's ruining the volume. Down here at the park with Shan, he just bought some new reds. This man are blown. Yeah, his old bearings were like dead AF. As per usual, I'm gonna get warmed up and then I'm going to see what tricks I can pull for y'all. Put the this rail over this mad gap we have here at Carnes Hill. Check it out. Another feature added to the park. I like it a lot. Like, it makes things more interesting, and I've been like hitting this rail and then like hitting that blue rail over there or hitting that curb ledge there. Woo. It's all happening today down at Carnes Hill. Let's get it done. I don't even know what I'm saying. I don't even know what I'm saying. This rail is sticky, icky. Oh wait. So I'm on a mission right now to find some wax. Oh, that's like a rock. It's not wax. Maybe it has something to do with the heat. Usually when it's hot at a skate park, most of the features are quite slippery because the wax kind of melts a bit and makes it sticky. But then when it rains, it makes it slippery. Sorry. The wax makes it slippery in the heat, but then it rains and it makes it sticky. That makes sense. It's a very dry heat. Like, just skating around, my throat's like, I can't breathe. I bought like 4 cases of water for the week though, so I brought one down with us here. So I'm all about the water because it's healthy and it's good for you. And our bodies are made up of like 65–70% water, I think. Could be more. But yeah, water is life, so make sure you drink water. Our prayers have been answered. I found like the tiniest bit of wax over here. It should do the trick, I hope. It's so hot today. I know I say this all the time in my vlogs. I'm like, it's so hot. Duh, I live in Australia, like it's gonna be hot. Even though it's supposed to be autumn, for some reason it's like still super hot. It should be heaps. Yeah, better? Better. Yeah, sweet. Is it still sticky at the end butt?
Yeah, but I was going slow.
True.
I was just cruising.
Yeah, sweet. Well, that'll work. My throat is so dry, can't even talk right now. What's been happening in my crazy life of skateboarding and tattooing? I've been getting a bit more like passionate again about tattooing, I guess, because I've been working in a better environment and I've been working around people that actually like tattooing and stuff, so that's been good. I've been drawing a bit more. Like, I've been skating heaps, but yeah, like I'd love to skate every day. Like, I skated Friday night and Saturday night, but yeah, my feet were just like so sore from skating. I need to get some better shoes or something, or figure something out so I can skate more. Oh damn. I actually set out to come here today to try to learn a backsmith, so yeah, I don't want to swallow my words though, so I'm just going to see how it goes. I'm going to try on that yellow ledge over there, so wish me luck.
Bruh.
think I'll need to watch some tutorials on YouTube how to do a backsmith. Can't get it. Look at that. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. The locals. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Find out what it means to me. The other night when I was here, I stayed like back late when the lights turned out and stuff, and I was like just skating around and having fun. I got bored and I put the rail to like rail and I board slid it. I'm gonna try and do it again today. Check it out. It's crazy DIY skate park board slide thing. See how we go. Off that one. Cool. Before that blue line there. Oh! Yes! Oh! Oh yeah. That back truck. Oh! Damn. Hey, yes. Boom. Woo! Oh no. You good?
Yeah. That was a hard swing.
Yeah. I felt the earth shake a bit under my feet. It's like boom. At least you got it. Do you reckon it's easier than that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how we do it over here at Enochism. We bring the pain. Literally, we bring the pain. Quick shout out to all my new subs. Thank you so much. Yeah, I really appreciate it. There's much more things to come with this channel, so I'm really excited. So, thank you. Everybody might have seen Wesmer and the boys DIY park, but this is my DIY park. one feature. Yo! That's fun, hey, it kind of shoots you out.
I had one when I was a kid. It was made like an up rail.
Yeah.
But it's a round rail. That's when I learned people.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. You need wax?
No.
You lean back.
Yeah.
Lean back. Then pull up the pants and do the rock away. Lean back. Lean back. That's Fat Joe, isn't it? Fat Joe, lean back. That's how old I am. I remember this stuff. Yes! That's how we do it. This is how we do it. Yeah. Oh, would you put your board there?
Yeah.
This is a reenactment of how the rail was set up the other night through this gap. I feel like it's not high enough at the top. What do you reckon?
You don't even have to ollie that high.
Oh man, that's intimidating. Because of this crack right here.
Yeah.
And then you got to get on. I was thinking like more here.
That'd be too
Too high?
too steep. Too steep.
No, 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 no. Like, hang on. Yeah. What do you reckon? I'm really keen on the drop. The
What
drop seems like it's the most
What if
the hectic bit.
You got a bail and you go.
Nah,
Yeah.
your legs will keep going and you'll just jump and land.
Imagine if you did exactly what I did in the blue rail. Straight into the concrete.
Oh, you
Straight
headbutt
in.
the cement. It looks pretty gnarly, man. That's sick. I reckon, yeah, I reckon. I'll give it a go.
Yeah.
Oh. That's better, but yeah, I've got to adjust coming up. Oh.
That's fucking crazy.
I thought the drop would be fun. I gotta lean forward.
You got it, Sean.
Gotta lean forward.
That's it.
My body.
That's how we do it over at Enoch, isn't it?
Now front board.
Front board, bro, you're gonna die on that.
No way. Somebody call Triple E. Your assistance. Assistance is needed. Shan's over there helping out these dudes. His battery went flat, so he knows all about cars and how to jump start and all that stuff. Let's try this rail now. Oh shit! Yeah, you gotta be fast. Yeah.
Steez!
Too much steez. What? Those dudes in the car.
Change of it.
Yeah, loose change menu. Oh, what? There's like 15 cents here. We're rich.
There's another 10 cents over there.
Someone's losing coins.
I kept hitting it.
The shade's now set over Carnes Hill behind these beautiful trees we have here. I'm not sure what type of trees these are, but they provide quite adequate shade when we're at the skate park, which is good. It's actually cool enough to have a proper skate, so yeah. Yeah, I'm in the bush here now at Carnes Hill. This is where all the kids smoke bongs. This is where they all like smoke at night. It's like a little river here. I don't know if you would call it a river. It's a dirty river. Check it out. There's cow pasture road right there. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my camera. It like started beeping and like saying change settings, so I'm trapping off my iPhone again. It's real picturesque in this bush here. Check it out. Just like chill here and hang out. Probably gonna head home soon, so I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. Be sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, help me out, help your boy out with this YouTube skateboard game thing in Australia. And yeah, shout out to all the new subs, thanks so much. But until next time, I'll catch all of y'all in the next video.
What's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land, got you like it's contraband. Tell me what's your name? Don't you play this game? You from another land, got you like it's contraband.